हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज की हमारी प्रॉब्लम है फाइंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट पॉइंट पी। हमें पॉइंट पी पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को कैलकुलेट करना है और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो आपके पास में पॉइंट पी पर एग्जिस्ट करेगा ड्यू टू दीज टू पॉइंट चार्जेस, ये इन दोनों पॉइंट चार्जेस के बीच में जो मिड पॉइंट है उससे z डिस्टेंस पे अवेलेबल है। इन दोनों के बीच की डिस्टेंस में 12 गिवन है। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर ये पॉइंट इन दोनों पॉइंट चार्जेस का मिड पॉइंट है, दैट मीन्स ये डिस्टेंस l होगी और ये डिस्टेंस भी l होगी, दैट इज l एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो l। So now the distance between these point charge and point P is, using Pythagoras theorem, square root of z square plus l square, and similarly distance between these two point charge these two point P and point charge Q will be z square plus l square. Now let electric field due to this point charge at point P is even and electric field at point P is E2. Let this angle is theta, so this angle is also will be theta. Now component of electric field E1, if this angle is theta, then this line and this line is parallel, so this angle is also will be theta. The component of E1 is E1 cos theta, and another component will be E1 sin theta. Now we draw the component for E2. If this angle is theta, then this angle is also will be theta, because these line are parallel to each other and this line is intersecting these two parallel lines. So this component will be E2 cos theta and this component will be E2 sin theta. Friends, here we can see that these two points are same in nature and distance between point charges to point P is same. So here electric field E1 and E2 will be same in magnitude. So resultant electric field will be E1 magnitude sine of theta and E2's magnitude sine of theta. E1 and E2 are same, so we can write it twice of E sine theta, where mode of E is electric field due to point charge any one of them to point P, which is equal to k q upon distance. Distance is z square plus l square and its whole square. So resultant electric field will be kq square upon z square plus l square. This is electric field due to one of point charge. Now net electric field will be twice of this value, twice of kq square upon z square plus l square. Now find value of sin theta can be find out using this triangle. So we draw this triangle. This angle is theta, this is L, this is Z, and this is Z square plus L square and its square root. So sin theta will be Z upon root of Z square plus L square. So value will be Z upon root of Z square plus L square. So resultant electric field will be 2k q square Z upon Z square plus L square and its whole power 3 by 2. Now if we talk about the direction of electric field, in this direction upward our electric field is exist. So now taking this direction is kk, we can write net electric field is equal to 2kq square Z upon Z square plus L square its whole power 3 by 2 dot k cap. This is our net electric field due to 2 point charges at distance Z from the midpoint of these 2 point charges. Now friend, if we take some case here for that Z is very large value comparative to L, यानी कि अगर मिड पॉइंट से पी पॉइंट बहुत ज़्यादा दूरी पर अगर अवेलेबल हो, एग्जिस्ट करो, तो उस केस में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की वैल्यू क्या होगी? तो इस केस में यहाँ पर हम L को Z के कंपेयर में 0 कर सकते हैं, देन वैल्यू हो जाएगी 2kq स्क्वायर Z अपॉन Z स्क्वायर एंड इट्स होल पावर 3 by 2. सो वैल्यू विल बी 2kq स्क्वायर अपॉन Z क्यूब मल्टीप्लाई Z. So value will be 2kq square upon Z square. So result is this: if two positive charges or some same charges placed at some distance the electric field can be treated at some large distance, then the electric field can be treated as there is plus 2q charges placed at midpoint of q charges. That's it.